Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, keyless ignition, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration, blind spot monitor. With these ratings, make a great choice today with the 2016 Sienna. Sienna offers excellent overall quality and long-term dependability, making it a hassle-free vehicle to drive day in and day out, while contributing to peace of mind on long road trips. Add a refined and fuel-efficient V6 engine, a smooth ride, and upscale interior accommodations to the mix, and it's easy to see that Sienna is built with the whole family in mind and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, security system, fog lights, rear window defroster. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.